Once upon a time, there was a disease which killed everyone in its path. The symptoms were sharp pains, sudden fading, and heavy bleeding through the skin.
The House of Ashes.
Today I'm going to tell you about a horror story. I hope that when you listen this, you baby don't start crying. It's a hard story, really don't want to be lying, but as I am the narrator, I am sure that you will like it. The book was written by the famous Edgar Allan Poe. It named